All right, Kenny, we're over here at HQ3, Glendale, Arizona, inside the shop. We had a comment up on one of the YouTube videos, and the individual said that we don't have any videos with the air conditioner on so they could hear what the noise volume was or is. Kenny, are you ready? All right, we'll go ahead. We have our remote right now. We can go ahead and turn on the air conditioner. Right now, the compressor is not running, okay? The air conditioner will run for a little while before it tells itself to turn on the compressor based on the temperature inside the vehicle. The important thing to note about the sound volume associated with the air conditioner is it is controlled by your remote control. And what I mean by that is the fan speed. Right now I'm talking to the camera, I'm not raising my voice. You can have a phone call right underneath this. It's a complete different experience than sitting under a traditional 110 air conditioner, especially in a Class A or a Class C. If you've had to sit under one of those air conditioners and had a phone call, it can be very challenging at times. Now, what do I mean by it's controlled by the remote control? If you go ahead and press the up button, it's going to increase the fan speed. Increasing the fan speed increases the noise inside the coach. Okay, that's the second level. I'll go ahead, turn on the third level. Once again, I'll go ahead and turn on the fourth level. There's the fifth level. So what we're doing is we are increasing the fan speed. What we are not doing is increasing how cold the air gets going through the air conditioner. Right there, guys, what happened is the compressor just turned on. We know that. Let me go ahead and turn this down right here. We know that inside the coach because we can hear the outside compressor kick on barely, but I can also take a look right over here at my Servo GX Touch. I'll have you zoom in over here, Kenny. And right now we're using 480 watts of power to cool this. Now you'll notice that when Kenny, keep the camera right here on this 489 watts. Right now we're at 36 watts of consumption. The batteries are at 74%. And this 36, watch what happens. It just dropped down to 30. So as I increase the fan speed to increase the air going through, what we don't increase is the amp draw. It's going to be negligible at all. And then you can see there what just happened is the air conditioner compressor turned off. We know that because the air conditioner has reached the set point that we have it set at. So it'll turn itself on and off based on the ambient temperature inside the coach. Once again, this is the Nomadic Cooling 3000. We are in a Dodge ProMaster. It is currently on the lowest setting. The fan speed has no relation to the cooling capacity coming out of the air conditioner. It only is related to the amount of air that is flowing across the coils. Right there is a great example of the compressor turning on. So right now the internal fan is on, the compressor is on, and the outside fan is on, and we are inside the coach. Classic example. Now you'll notice that there wasn't a huge vibration. We're still talking calmly to the camera. It's not overly crazy. When would you want to turn the fan speed up? When you'd want to turn the fan speed up is if the air conditioner is in the rear of your coach and you're sitting in the front of the coach, you're going to have to increase the fan speed to get that cold air over to you. And these louvers right here are fully adjustable so that you can spin them to point right at you wherever you are inside the coach. If you want to go further in comfort with not a very loud air conditioner, go on over to nomadiccooling.com and buy yourself a 12-volt air conditioner today.